Welcome once again, my dear students, to my YouTube channel. I am Professor Manish Khanna. In my today's video, I will tell you about two important things regarding Guru Nanak Dev University online papers. Number one, how to make PDF of your answer sheet on your mobile phone. And number two, how you will send your PDF and what would you write on the subject line. So let's start the process of creating PDF. That is, how will you prepare the PDF of your answer sheet on your mobile phone to save your time. Dear students, you have been given 2 hours by the university to write the paper in which you have to attempt any 4 questions out of the given 8 questions. After this, you have only 30 minutes to create PDF by taking photographs of your answer sheet and emailing the PDF back to the email address from where you got the question paper. You must make sure that you have maximum 30 minutes to send the mail back, because the time of the mail you sent is again sent to the university for records. So my dear students, be very careful. To create PDF on your mobile phone, first of all, apart from your title page, you drag the rest of your written sheets in serial number. Remember that the university has already instructed you in advance that all your written answer sheets should be in serial order only. If you have Android phones, then you have download Adobe Scan from your Play Store. It is absolutely free for you. And if you have iPhone, then download Photo PDF Scanner Converter. This is also available for free. I have put both the links of these two apps in the description below. You can download the applications directly from there. Now first, I am telling you the process of creating PDF for the students having iOS device, that is iPhone. First of all, click all the photos of your answer sheets and save it serial wise in the gallery of your mobile phone. Go to the Photo PDF Scanner Converter in your mobile phone. Click on the app. You will see 3 different options. Number 1, camera roll on the left side, take photo in the middle, and scan document on the right side. If you have saved your photos in your gallery, then you have to click on camera roll. And if you want to take your photos live, then you have to click on take photo. Suppose you have saved photos in gallery, which is a good option. When you click on camera roll, then your gallery will open. From that, you will select your title page and other written pages serial wise. You will see your selected pages like this. Now click add button. You can see that your images are preparing. Wait a little, have some patience. After this, you have to click on the button of create PDF seen below. The screen of create PDF will appear in front of you, on which you have to write the name of your PDF. You just have to enter your university roll number here. Suppose your university roll number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Then you have to write your roll number on name of PDF. Hit on the button create PDF. Your PDF will be generated on the home page with your roll number. Your roll number .pdf will be written by default. My dear students, remember, while creating PDF, do not write .pdf. You only have to write your roll number. .pdf will be at default. After creating the PDF, 2 options will appear below. First option, signed on the left side. Second option, share on the right side. You have to press share button. After pressing the share button, select the mail icon. Now fill the mail address. Mail address will be the same from where you got the question paper. You have to be very careful while entering the mail address. In the subject line, you must have to write 3 things. Firstly, your university roll number, comma. then your name, comma, and lastly your paper's name. For example, your name is Rohit and your operation research paper is on 31st July 2021 and your university roll number is 12345. You have to write in the subject line 12345, comma, Rohit, comma, operation research. Your PDF is all set to go. Hit the blue arrow which is on the top of the right corner. At this stage, your process of composing mail with PDF is complete. Now I am explaining you the process of creating PDF to the Android users. First of all, click all the photos of your answer sheet and save it serial wise in the gallery of your mobile phone. Go to your PDF scanner application, open it. You will see two options at the very bottom right. The one option is the gallery and the other option is the camera key, in which you can take a live photos of your answer sheet. If you have saved your photos in your gallery, then you have to click on gallery icon. This is the best option. Select your photographs and title page from your gallery and click on import, which appears at the bottom. If you want to adjust your answer sheets, then this adjustment is available from all four corners. After making adjustments, click on Done. You will see the photos of each answer sheet. Keep each photo on the original layout, which is on default. After that, click on Save All. After this, the dialog box of Save As will open, in which you will have to select the name and quality of the PDF. For PDF name, you just have to enter your university roll number. Suppose your university roll number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Then you have to write your roll number on name of PDF. Your roll number .pdf will be written by default. Remember, while creating PDF, do not write .pdf. You only have to write your roll number. .pdf will be at default. Below this is the option of select quality. Regular quality will be already selected on default. Let it be on regular basis. Hit on save icon. PDF will be generated successfully. Your PDF file will have a share button just below it. Click on it. Select the mail icon. Now fill the mail address. Mail address will be the same from where you got the question paper. You have to be very careful while entering the mail address. For example, the mail address is bcom6.3 College, Jalandhar. In the subject line, you must have to write three things. Firstly, your university roll number, comma, then your name, comma, and lastly your paper's name. For example, your name is Rohit and your operations research paper is on 31st July 2021 and your university roll number is 12345. You have to write in the subject line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, Rohit, comma, operations research. Your PDF is all set to go. Click the send button, which is on the top right. At this stage, your process of composing mail with PDF is complete. My dear students, remember four important things. Number one, you must send your answer sheet in PDF format only. Number two, PDF has to be emailed only. There is no other way to send your answer sheet. Number 3, your PDF should be readable. And number 4, you must also keep a hard copy of PDF with you. I hope that now you can create your PDF completely and send it easily. All the very best to all of you. And one more important information, students. University instruction is that the size of your PDF should not be more than 20 MB. If the size of your PDF is more than 20 MB, then how can you compress your PDF? I will give you full details about it in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe immediately, and for updates don't forget to press the bell icon.